of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Use this switcher if it's not already on. Hit Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password over here. Now it's time to input all of those informations. At the top you can select any website or tap on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!